Dogecoin value Jabber to your $0.1399 a coin. The present exchange cost range, Jabber 0.11456. The earlier day close, Jibber. The change was Jibber 2.91%. Opposite rate, Jibber to Doge. Dollar to Jabber estimate for January 2025. At the outset, cost at Jibber coins. Jibber cost 4.762, while low 3.74. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The Jibber to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 14.348, change for January 17.4%. US to Doge expectation for Jabber 2025. At the outset, cost at 4.348 Jabber, excessive cost 4.545 while low Jibber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge estimate toward the Jibber end 4.167, change for February 4.2%. Dollar to Jibber estimate for WALC 2025. First and foremost, cost at 4.167 Jabber, exorbitant cost Jibber while low 3.704. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge estimate toward the month's end 4,000, change for Jabber 4.0%. USD to Jabber expectation for April 2025. Initially cost at Jabber coins. Jabber cost 4,000, while low 3.333. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 3.726. The USD to Doge figure toward the month's end 3.571, change for April Jabber. Dollar to Jabber figure for May 2025. First and foremost, cost at 3.571 Jibber. Jibber cost 3.704, while low 3.26. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Jabber estimate toward the month's end 3.448, change for May 3.4%. US to Doge expectation for Jabber 2025. Before all else, cost at 3.448 Jabber. Excessive cost 3.448, while low Jabber. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 3.154. The USD to Doge figure toward the month's end 2.941, change for Jibber 14.7%. Dollar to Jibber figure for July 2025. Before all else, cost at Jabber coins, excessive cost Jabber while low 2.381. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge figure toward the Jabber end 2.564, change for July 12.8%. US to Doge expectation for Jabber 2025. In the first place, cost at Jibber coins. Jibber cost 2.703, while low 2.326. The found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Jibber gauge toward the month's end 2.500, change for August but 2.5%. Dollar to Dogecoin Jabber for September 2025. To start with, cost at Jabber coins, exorbitant cost 2.500 while low Jabber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge estimate toward the Jibber end 2.273. Change for September 9.1%. USD to Jabber expectation for October 2025. To start with, cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost 2.273 while low Jibber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge estimate toward the Jabber end 1.961. Change for October 13.7%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for November Jabber. To start with, cost at 1.961 Jibber. Jabber cost 1.961, while low 1.667. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 1.844. The USD to Doge conjecture toward the month's end Jabber, change for November 8.9%. Jibber to Doge expectation for December 2025. At the outset, cost at 1.786 Jibber. Excessive cost 1.923, while low Jibber. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 1.791. The USD to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 1.786, change for December Jibber. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for January Jibber. First and Jibber cost at 1.786 coins. Jibber cost 1.852, while low 1.613. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge estimate toward the month's end 1.724, change for Jabber 3.5%. Jabber to Doge expectation for February 2026. First and Jibber cost at 1.724 coins. Exorbitant cost 1.724, while low Jabber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge Jibber toward the month's end 1.493, change for February 13.4%. Dollar to Jabber figure for WALC 2026. Initially cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost Jabber, while low 1.493. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 1.581. The USD to Doge figure toward the month's end 1.613, change for spring Jabber. US to Doge expectation for April Jibber. In the first place, cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost 1.923, while low Jabber. The found the middle value of cost Jabber. The Jabber to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1.786, change for April 10.7%. Dollar to Dogecoin Jibber for May 2026. First and foremost cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost 1.852 while low Jibber. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge Jibber toward the month's end 1.724, change for May 3.5%. US to Doge expectation for Jabber 2026. Jibber cost at 1.724 coins, excessive cost 1.961 while low Jabber. Arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The Jabber to Doge figure toward the month's end 1.818, change for June 5.5%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for July Jabber. Jabber cost at 1.18 coins. Excessive cost Jibber while low 1.88. The Jabber at the midpoint of cost 2.009. The USD to Doge figure toward the month's end Jabber, change for July 17th at 1%. US to Doge Jabber for August 2026. To start with cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber while low 1.695. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1.88, change for Jibber 14.6%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for Jibber 2026. To start with cost at Jabber coins, exorbitant cost 2.326, while low Jibber, found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2.174, change for September Jabber. USD to Jabber expectation for October 2026. In the first place, cost at 2.174 Jabber, exorbitant cost Jabber while low 2.174. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2.564, change for Jibber 17.9%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for November Jibber. First and foremost cost at Jibber coins. Jibber cost 2.564 while low 2.083. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Jabber estimate toward the month's end 2.222, change for November 13.3%. Jibber to Doge expectation for December 2026. In the first place, cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber, while low 2.083. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2.222. Change for December Jabber. Dollar to Jabber estimate for January 2027. To start with cost at 2.222 Jabber, Jibber cost 2.632 while low 2.222. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2.439, change for Jibber 9.8%. US to Doge expectation for February Jibber. To start with cost at 2.439 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jabber while low 2.222. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Doge Jibber toward the month's end 2.381, change for February 2.4%. Dollar to Jibber conjecture for Walk 2027. At the Jabber cost at 2.381 coins, Jibber cost 3.30 while low 2.381. Arrived at the Jabber of cost 2.662.